Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. So this tutorial today is going to show you how to get the best Amazon promo codes in 2026. You can get an Amazon discount code that's going to remove $100 off your next order. So you essentially grab your code and add at least $100 to your basket, apply the code in the promotional code field at checkout, and it's going to remove $100 off your next order. This works worldwide, so it doesn't matter if you're not in the US, it will be translated to your local currency. So for me, it's around 75 Great British pounds. Before I show you guys these Amazon promo codes, make sure you drop a like on this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I do plan on making updated videos as and when they're needed, guys. So let's get into it. What you're going to want to do is just use your mobile phone internet browser. You can do this on iPhone or Android and even on desktop as well. But I do recommend you do it on your mobile phone because it does make it a lot easier just to get your promo code for Amazon, and then you can redeem it in the app or on the website. So head on over to this website, www.coldcoupons.com. So type it like this, and what it's going to do, guys, is going to bring you to this coupon code website. Now, you're going to initially see a ton of different game codes, but they do have things like Netflix and, of course, Amazon promo codes as well. So there is a search bar. So in there, guys, all I'm going to do is type in Amazon. And this is the codes page here, guys. There's a few different verified working Amazon coupon codes. So go ahead and scroll down, and this is the code that I'm focusing on for the purpose of this video. This is an Amazon promo code for $100 off at checkout. So like I said, guys, this is a simple Amazon promo code that you can redeem in 2026. And you redeem it in the promotional code field in the basket, and it's going to remove $100 off your next order. So this is going to save you so much money, and the entire process takes just about 5 minutes, so it is well worth it. As you can see, it says the code will be revealed after verification. So your Amazon promo code is currently locked and protected. You can see the code is sort of hidden and blurred there. And this is because these are limited codes, guys. So you can only do this once to get one $100 Amazon promo code. So click on Get Full Code, and you're going to see this screen here, guys. And this basically tells you what you need to do to unlock your Amazon promo code. Long story short, I'm going to skip through this because I've already done it previously. You just need to complete a couple of these tasks on this page. They're all completely free. As you can see on the right side there, the button, it says free. And these are simple things like installing and downloading mobile applications and games. It is very important you just read the description below each of the tasks, because that basically gives you a synopsis and tells you how to complete them. There is also a support chat, so it says need help, so you can click that button and ask any questions if you need any help completing the tasks. Once you complete 2 of them, your Amazon promo code will be fully revealed in this box. Like I said, I've done this previously, so I don't want to waste a code for this tutorial. But yeah, your promo code for Amazon will be revealed. You can redeem it, and that is going to get you $100 off your next order. So go to Cold Coupons, and these are by far the best Amazon promo codes, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, drop a like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.